Hello and welcome to another Clojure Diary video. Today, I just want to say, it is a topic about not using lot of variables in let or just using only the necessary variables in a let block. Okay, so that's the thing. And look, you have got this three variable initialization in let first four letters. Okay, and with this we are finding this unique letters, and with this unique letters we are finding this length. So that's what we are just doing. But the thing is, um, we aren't using this unique letters anywhere in this let. Okay, so we are using this first four letters, we are using this length, and of course we are passing argument called string in the function, and we are using that. So, so that is being used, but other things, this variable is not used. So we'll see how to remove it. Okay, so why I'm saying this is okay for small programs. Okay, these kind of things are okay. Just let it pass. Okay, so don't scrutinize so much. But imagine like a web app that's having thousands of hits or something like that per second, or maybe even thousands of hits per minute, right? So if this holding a large difference. Okay, look, I will put another video like why it's okay to have a lot of stuff in Clojure, and how Clojure manages memory and how it manages mutations and all those things. uh, but the thing is, uh, there is some information that's been holding in all these three variables, and if you're not using it, it's a good practice. Just remove it out of let. Okay, so that's the thing. And if you have got thousands of Clojure instances being initialized or something like that, that's going to cause you a problem, like in very very massive apps or something like that, or something, right? But the thing is, like, most of us code for web pages that are very small. That's given, but it is a best practice not to have, what to say, unused stuff in let. Okay, so that's the thing. So let's see how to remove it. Okay, so you are having a thing called string, and you are just having a function called c. So I would have put a video before, what to say, telling you we are going to find first four unique letters in this thing, and so we will be using the c when we will be passing the string, and it'll just give the first four unique letters. I think it's 4 A G J, I think, right? Okay, so that's what it'll just give, right? Um so that's how it just works. Okay, so I think a few videos before, if you just go and see, it'll be titled like first n unique objects in a sequence or something like that. That's because, I think even string is a sequence, kind of sequence in Clojure. So I am not sure, but yeah, let me just sequ, yeah, sequential. Okay, sequential. Okay, I'll just put one, two, three, and it says true, and I'll just put sequential, and I'll just put string. Okay, string means this string I had loaded into this ripple before, right? So that's the thing. And oh, it says false. Okay, but still, yeah, it could be treated as sequence. Okay, because I think this take four is actually, or what to say, uh, s- uh, I think it is converting this into sequence or something like that. So, but yeah, this could even be applied to a sequence. I think, yeah, maybe I'll just do another video finding first four unique objects in a sequence or something like that. It'll be very very similar, right? It's saying string is not a sequence, but I feel it could be treated as a sequence. Okay, but yeah, anyway, so this is the thing, and let's see how to remove this thing. Okay, so what this thing does, it just finds the length. Okay, ultimately, right? So you've got this. Okay, I'll just put this over here, right? So let me just put it. Def first four unique letters, and that's there, right? Okay, okay, yeah, first four letters, right? So that's there, right? And then I just need unique letters. So let me just put like, okay, like something like this one. And how does, okay, first four letters. Ah, something is auto completing. I really don't know what's auto completing. And let me just give it to, okay, oops. I need to put option into all the time, right? And let me just give it to count and see if it works. Yeah, this one works, right? So what I'm just doing is like, okay, I'm just giving this to set, and yeah, you're just getting something. Yeah, you're just getting a set, and now you just give this to count. Okay, so okay, so you're just getting this. Okay, so it's better you just take this, right? And okay, let me just put another function called sieve2 so that like you'll understand, right? So let me just take this stuff off and take this stuff off, and then put this stuff over here, right? I'll just put this stuff over here. So let me just name this as C2, and I think we are done. So that's the thing, right? Okay. Okay. So now I just need to pass string to C2, SIEV string, and it just does it. Okay. So yeah, that's it. So maybe you can just if you don't like this, maybe you can do something like this, like okay, like f length, okay, length of, okay, or number of unique letters, okay, number of unique letters, letters. Let me just take my dictionary and letter, oops, letter, character. Okay, character. Yeah, my spelling is correct. Okay. Number of unique letters, and I'll just give, okay, 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 right, something like string, and this one just takes this and puts. Oh, okay, okay. Over here, you just need to put string over here, right? So, okay, this should be defined because it's a function. So let me just load it into REPL and let me just call it number of unique letters. Okay, they are 15. Okay, but I just want to call it something A, B, C. So that will be 3. Yeah. Okay, it looks like it's working. And so, yeah, like, look, this is kind of big, right? So what I just want to do is like, okay, I just want to put something called C3, and that's much more refracted and much more better function, right? So C3 over here, right? And it'll just go over here. Um, okay, number of unique letters and then first four letters, right? This reads better, right? Okay, so and so yeah, that's it. So so I think yeah, like I'm kind of okay with my refactoring, and maybe let me just run it and see three string, and it just works. Okay, so that's the thing, right? And yeah, That's the thing, and yeah, it's just saying okay, see three abdacadabra, and if I just put it, oh, there are some unique letters over here, and this look, and I just want to say something, and this is just an extra, right? I just want to say about the autocomplete. Before I used to use a thing called Codium, and the Codium is something like that takes my code and send it to a servers. But today, I am using autocomplete called. Oops, what's this? Okay, so but today I am using some autocomplete called Tabby, and wait. Okay, I am using an autocomplete called Tabby, and this is kind of completely open source, and it is running a model. What to say? And with 3 billion parameters, it is running. And how much my memory is being used? Okay, it's only using 9.2 GB. Okay, fine. Till 7 GB is there. Okay, so good enough, right? So that's the thing. And look, if you look at my extension, so let me just go to Tabby, right? So this is in VS Codium, right? So hopefully I should be able to go to the website. Where is it? Hey, where is the website? Yeah, repository. Open. Come on. Don't open? Yeah. So this is the repository, and come on. Oops, my internet is not working. Okay, fine. So this is the repository, and I will also post a link in this video. Look, I just want to say, because I think most of you should be using like thing called Chat GPT and all those things. And look, these all take your data and send it to some other servers. But this one is kind of open source. Yeah, I need to start it. Thanks, Tabby team. This one is open source, and what to say, and this one runs locally on my system, and it is good enough. It is good enough. It is also doing autocomplete for Clojure, and but I don't think they have put like they do have autocomplete for Clojure, because I think like they want to be cautious, right? So that's the thing, and I'm very very impressed with this and all those things. So yeah, please use Tabby, and rather than using any other proprietary autocomplete tool. And yeah, that's the thing. And yeah, I think this is the link, tabbyml.com. And yeah, I'll also be putting this link in my blog and all those things. And it is good. Yeah, please do use, whether you use Clojure or not, please do use it. It is running totally local, and they say it is open source. And I think everything is available on GitHub and all those things. And mostly, I don't know whether they are just putting the data open or not. What I mean by open data open or not means like you should know like with what data they train these models. Okay, otherwise I don't think it can be called as very open model and all those things. So that's the thing. So yeah, like I'm using it, and it also auto completed. For example, if you see, oops, if you see over here, I just set this up Dakarabra and all those things. Okay, so maybe it'll also save something. Yeah, it's saying the same thing. Okay. Uh, okay, so let me just do something. Okay, do okay something something with the result. Okay, yeah, this itself is saying something. Oh no no no, do something with the three. Give a new string input to it. Okay, let's see whether it comes up with something. No, it's not coming up with something. Okay, it wants to embarrass me before everybody, right? So so no, it's not giving something what I wanted, and so it's embarrassing me, right? So okay, this one is with okay. If I just give okay, do something with C3. Now what it does? Please don't say this abdacadabra and all this stuff. It's saying nothing. Okay. It's saying nothing. Okay, look, I think it has got some kind of personality or something. I'm not sure, right? So that's the thing. But yeah, this Tabby is good, and I am kind of okay with it. I am kind of okay with it. For me, it works, and it is also open source, and all those things. And the data doesn't go, data goes nowhere, right? This is the thing. I'm just running, and look, it's taking like, oh, now it's taking 10 GB in my. Okay, this is the total stuff with all those things. So it's just taking 10 GB of my memory space, and before it was just taking only like kind of 8 or mm, uh, 7 or 8 GB, right? So yeah, it is a large model, but yeah, like everything runs in my local, which I'm happy. Okay, anyway, I'm just sorry for this long video, but I do get uh, excited with this AI in coding and all those things. If I made it long, I'm sorry, but yeah, anyway, thanks.